How to use ChatGPT. A complete guide for beginners. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we interact with technology, and ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI chatbots available today. Whether you want to get quick answers, write content, or generate ideas, ChatGPT can help you with almost anything. In this blog, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT effectively and unlock its full potential. 1. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text based on your input. It is trained on a vast dataset, making it useful for a variety of tasks such as answering questions, writing essays, blogs, and scripts, generating code and debugging, creating marketing content, helping with studies and research. 2. How to access ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT on different platforms, including official OpenAI website, https://chat.openai.com, mobile apps, iOS and Android. Integrated in Microsoft Bing Chat. To start, simply create a free OpenAI account and log into ChatGPT. There are free and paid plans. ChatGPT Plus offers access to GPT-4 for better performance. 3. How to use ChatGPT effectively. Writing prompts the right way. ChatGPT responds based on the quality of your prompts. Here are some ways to make your prompts more effective. Be specific. Instead of asking, "Tell me about space," try, "Explain black holes in simple terms." Provide context. Act as a professional marketer and write an Instagram ad for a new coffee brand. Use step-by-step instructions. Explain how to start a YouTube channel in 5 steps. B. Using ChatGPT for different tasks. Writing assistance. Generate blogs, emails, social media posts, and scripts. Coding help. Debug errors and write efficient code. Study aid. Get summaries, explanations, and practice questions. Business and marketing. Create catchy ad copy, slogans, and sales pitches. 4. ChatGPT limitations. Not always 100% accurate. Always fact-check information. No real-time data. It cannot access live news unless browsing is enabled. Ethical concerns. AI-generated content should be used responsibly. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can help students, professionals, and creatives improve productivity. By using well-structured prompts, you can get the best results from ChatGPT. Try it today and see how it can enhance your daily tasks. Have you tried ChatGPT? Share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe to Tech 360 for more viral shorts, educational content,